Maybe I've been slipping back, heading south, car sick on a Tuesday, missing cash, blacking out.
Previously.
It's actually 7 degrees out here. We're in the middle of the Sahara Desert.
Oh, do you have any food? You guys have food? Any cereal?
No. We'll just get something when we go to the tent.
Yeah, okay, well, if you guys get hungry, just shit this room. There's a little bit left in it. Fuck off, you have a bird.
Look at Liam.
You're good with that?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. What's going on, guys, now?
What's going on, guys? Getting warm. Oh, that's my tent.
Huh?
Shut
up, mate. Don't make fun of a little tiny really.
There's Liam's tent. Fuck, how's he not cold?
Oi, when you finish, show him in my tent. It's fucking wet.
That's Liam's tent. Then he comes, Remy's tent.
Okay, guys.
Oh, let's look at this, look good.
Oh.
That's took to be a mix.
Oh, wait a minute, I feel something. Got a little vein. Alright, guys, so here we go. Here we got the sound system.
Are you charging your phone?
Yeah, through the roof. I've actually got a charger cord up there. Now, right, if you do this, dry finger, wet. The whole fucking tent is wet inside.
It's white.
And look, you touch this, it's fucking wet. But I don't know what happened, but I'm just gonna go with it. That's been my crib. Thank you guys for watching. Next time I'll upgrade my tent. Oh, crib. And thanks. Robbie ankles. Oh, look, I'm pinball now.
Yeah, dude.
Playground there.
Fuck that Steve's cunt.
Oh,
Father, sorry.
Oh, I'm buying
garlic. Little rope things over there.
Yeah, that's what we hit last month. Huh? Why? When I go to bed in my tent, I need to actually lift my legs up a little bit.
I think you gags. Fuck, please no, the fire's like down a little bit. I'm fucking cold.
Gag!
Okay, so. Oh, I haven't felt this warm for over fucking 2 nights now.
Fucking stupid shit.
It's on his head. Can't keep still.
You're a fucking medicine man.
You better scream to that sentence, mate.
What the fuck?
Hello, first prayer.
How the fuck are you gonna run away from that? Oh, you're recording.
Oh shit, that was like.
Oh, it just shut there, I'm pretty sure.
On my fucking tent?
I'm not sure. It's shut here somewhere.
Yeah, I did nothing.
Shit
You
on my
fucking.
fucking-
Because the one came.
Imagine if you just shut
Oh, right there.
I'll cook it up for Becky.
Your tent looks full decked out. You look like you have a comfortable bed, a lot of fucking berry replenishments.
I do. I was only like my foreskin ball sack. Do you want to record my ball sack?
This is where it's at.
Yes.
Do you want to?
We're really
Yes.
living off
And
the
put it on
land.
YouTube and get
Audi.
flags for inappropriate.
Yes.
Hey guys, what's going on? Bo isn't here yet, but I just wanted to tell everyone to go subscribe to Stoked BMX. Stoked_BMX on Instagram, and follow me on Snapchat, StokedBMX. Thanks guys, I love you, and dislike this video because it's gay.
When we get back and I'll have sex with myself, I'm gonna go on 10. I'll use 10.
What are you gonna do,
I
Liam?
got that on footage, Liam.
Fuck. What's going on, guys? Bro, imagine doing it when it's fucking a big double on the other side of the road. I know I did that last time, and I was like, wanted to actually neck my dog. So tonight, guys, we're gonna explore in some places. Hold a minute. We gotta go exploring some places.
The smell of that queef actually made me sick now.
And that's what we do. Look, that place there, look at that, a little tire place, innit?
In it.
What, you make fun of my accent, are you? You fucking make fun of my accent, cunt, innit?
17, mate. How are you gonna dog off your back? Pull it off.
Oi, do you...
Get it! Digits, numbers, and fingers in you. Get it? Ha!
I wasn't really listening.
I said, Goldwell, you're kind of cute. Give me your digits so I can put them in you.
Yeah, so you go 0, 4, 1, 3, 3.
No, it's 5, 5, 4, 1, 1, 7, 7, 1. I've got a number before you cock it. I wasn't reading up on that hairstyle thing there, I promise. These motherfuckers, you guys fucking jaywalks right behind a cop.
Whatever.
You guys are savage ruthlesses. Look at that old pedophile.
Very high pants. Yoo-hoo.
I'm turned on by your dog. What the fuck? Skinny fags!
You ride Scooty, you may as well ride a shaft.
Okay.
Macca's break.
Hey, where'd I put my golden syrup? What are you fucking feet? You sweet knife dog, cunt. I don't want it to go everywhere.
Oh, get that on there.
Get on there, you fucking bitch, yeah, you fucking take your luck out of life. Oi, fuck off, wankhead.
Alright, guys.
Want to drive now? No, I'm going.
I actually look pretty swagging to say. I reckon I can
I'm
see it.
feeling full as fuck.
Really?
No. What's your name? Thing out here drinking a cup of coffee because he's a little gay. We got Liam over here.
It's actually a cappuccino.
It's actually a cappuccino on my dick. I got Liam over here eating his cupcakes.
They're pancakes, you stupid knob.
And we got what's his name? BG Media over here drinking his delicious fucking sandwich.
Seminal fluid. Oh, delicious. Oh, delicious.
Bitch. Fuck.
Okay. I better say what my dad's a girls around on Tinder. Not really.
It's fucking tree. Bitch.
Look at him, Liam, look.
Should I cut a mouth hole?
Yeah. No. It looks better with no mouth hole.
Breathing in it.
Oh.
Oh. I just ripped my face off. Alrighty guys, we're just gonna go get some food, some shit, and yeah, it's gonna be sick. I'll hand you over to Bo because it's his camera, so yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that ass.
I should've got some
It wasn't that good, Liam.
What are we doing?
You better believe it. Put them back, you guilty goober.
Oh, actually, buy all these. I'm so hungry. Shape challenge. Shape challenge gone wrong.
But why do we need cereal? We have no milk.
Dude, be quiet. Sally, be quiet.
We don't have any milk though.
What a milk. Oh my god.
Alright guys, this is Aldi in Australia. Aldi is like a really quiet restaurant. Oi, Blitz!
Restaurant.
Oi, Blitz!
Oh, we should
Look at me. I got chips, some socks, some lights, a jumper, some Tic Tacs. It's a fucking 100,000.
actually gonna get one.
Salami stick.
Maybe 2.
Pawpaw. It's a tobacco shop. Is that my pimple I just tried popping? It didn't actually work.
On your head.
Yeah. I actually look like a fucking Muslim Jew. Open!
Did you just shake and win?
38 William Street.
Oh, I have.
Oh, Carl's got it. Yeah.
Oh, Willie, it's kind of erected it. Oh, she got a thing on your roof. Hey, mate.
Nah. Do you think that you need to
Oh, wait, look at the camera.
I can't see, I can't see.
Oh, yeah, Bugs Bunny.
Look at that bumblebee head, actually. Oh my lord.
Damn.
Fuck any more fashion dog.
That's not gonna grab it.
Dickhead.
Damn, look at that ass. It's dark in here.
I will piss on your face when you're fucking sleeping. This is why I hate you, bro. Dude, it's completely dark, you can't see shit. Fuck off, cunt.
What'd you do? Oh my god.
Put them on.
I actually want to buy this. How much is this? Does that suit me?
Still here.
Yeah, dude.
Is it a pimple?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, such a ripple, $24, but it is so worth it. This actually, I'm actually buying this one day.
Oh, dude.
Hey, love.
Wait, there's Remy. Look, there he is.
Walking past.
Get some yarn.
Did he see you?
No.
It's one of these pillows.
Just get one of these. Actually, a pillow.
Ting, 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 ting.
I'll draw a dick ready.
It's so cute. We'll do some shots tonight. Whoa. Can you move your hand?
You're hot.
See ya.
Serious.
I love you. Ah! She said she loves me. Look at that asshole. Damn it.
He said go like that. I'm okay.
Where do you get ice? Where do you get ice and sausages yet? Why don't we just go to Coles and get sausages then, and then just get ice from the server? Oh,
Yeah, we're
25
getting our
cents.
dinner.
I'm getting 23 cents off. Fuck yes.
I'm getting 7. A pinata.
Fuck.
You scared that old woman behind us. How dare you?
Bargain. I'm buying 2.
How much is it?
Actually,
$5.
You don't need to fill it with oil.
You'd snap the reel.
No, I can do it.
Holy crap, he's hot.
Thanks.
Like, please do.
I need a Gorgon gun. That's like,
Logs.
that's like a,
Let's go, chumps.
that's a Kmart.
Oh, I need this to brush my teeth with, actually. Look what I found for you. Oh, my polywog. And a jiggly puff full of semen. Sorry, love.
Should buy a recorder.
Do you say sorry, love?
Yeah, just a bit polite.
It's not, it's actually not.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Bet you're married.
You want
Sorry,
sausage, anyone?
Alright.
My dad does.
I love you.
Like,
Pussy. Oh, I'm gonna put my window down too, eh? I love you. What do you think?
Look at those chicks up there go.
Oh, fuck my ass!
Oh, that's a MILF. That's a MILF.
Wow.
I love you.
Boyfriend comes out.
Oh, what did you say, cunt?
Destroy that chop.
Kellogg's crunchy nut in my ass.
Why is that running this way and then this side running that way?
Rip, mate, rip.
Looks nice though. Tootie. Nimbo Jack.
Wait, that's fucking 69, eh?
Liam.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Maybe that's not seeing it.
Oh yeah, right there, man.
Show me your penis. I get stage fright when I need a piss.
Yeah, I know. Right, here we go.
Filthy dog. Can you jump that far?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking lighter cunt. Ow, fuck. Did you record that?
Yeah.
In the Star Wars. Fuck off. Oh.
Let's see if this holds my body weight.
I pissed my pants.
Why walk across that?
Fuck off, cunt.
If you do like this kind of stuff, hit that thumbs up.
If you like this stuff, hit the like button, subscribe for me. Subscribe to me because I get the most subscribers out here until Bo takes over. Oh, is this an opening like my mum's leg?
See, we can get a oh no, we can't.
To Carl! Carl!
Fuck.
It's a comment from Carl!
You actually split it in half.
Oh!
Oh, look at this tree. That stick nearly went up your ass.
Huh?
That stick nearly went up your butthole. Like, this is dangerous. Oh! Oh! Fuck! Yeah, I nearly fell, cunt. Alright, we came to this conclusion. In Kyle's last video, well, next video.
Editing,
yeah.
the video that I'm editing, we went to this abandoned mine. If you check out Bo's and Ram's channel, videos on there for the abandoned mine.
In Rosewood.
My channel, I said if we get 20 likes, I'll get all the boys out and we'll camp there for the night. So,
I'm gonna say, if I
watch
get
this video.
If I get 20 likes on this video, I know you can do it, guys. But anyways, we're gonna do it.
20 likes on this video and we'll camp there every night. We'll make a video. We'll all make a video so all the boys will do it. And it should be pretty cool.
Yes. Alright, we just walked up the hill.
What?
We'll go check up there.
Hiddish. Let's go.
I just got pranked by Prank Patrol too.
Don't look at me.
That's it. Get him, get him, get him. Slip right there. Piss too.
Are you wanting me, Queen?
I don't understand how he's walking barefoot right now.
Not that bad.
No.
Dude, look at that view over there. That's nice.
Well, look at that massive rock wall. Try zoom in on it.
We should make a video of this.
Yo.
Oh, sick. If you guys do like this video, hit the like button.
That's just a fun example of how far we are down here. Where are they? Alright, we're not even
Did
up
you
the
get
top
it?
yet.
Yeah.
Still got that.
I'm not going there.
Here we are.
Fuck off, I want to go to the end. I need a piss, good going.
Piss number 3.
Hey, on a rock.
Wait, let's try full that.
I want to get a picture of us sitting up there. Dude, I saw it shatter a whole tree.
Yeah, dude.
Fuck this.
When you guys got this?
brown here. Whoa, 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 whoa. See that? That's a fucking snake. Oh shit, here goes, here goes, here goes. Wait, what, isn't there a house down there? No. Oh. Fuck! Wait, what's wrong with that tree?
Yay!
Yes, that's it.
I know, I can't help it, dude. Your knee. I lift that hard, my whole body just goes.
This little bit, and you got it. Yes, yes.
Oh shit, oh fuck, what have we done? What was that one?
Alright, let's get out of here.
Oh, I'm going.
Get your water bottle. Oh, it's still going.
Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. Remember the cows are there. Wait, hang on. It stopped. It's a paddock there. I just spooked myself.
Oh, I know the video. Make that the fucking
Thumbnail. Vaping while camping. Finger fucked, and they just couldn't really
You know, they tried. They applied for the Australian Ninja Warrior.
Oh, I wish I did actually.
That'd be fucking hilarious because I'd fail.
Names in the title.
I'm gonna say I'm stoked BMX. I'm not actually stoked.
Yes, you are. You're stoked to ride. Whenever you ride, you're like, oh, I'm gonna go masturbate in the bushes because I really want to ride.
Yeah, but
You look like the sexiest.
are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey. Bro, there's so many snags in these trees, eh?
Fuck, that sucked. And that trampoline used to break. They had 2 trampolines to break. That would have been so far.
You fucked on it too hard, dude.
Huh?
You just had sex on it too hard.
Yeah.
You get it.
I'm like zooming up on them behind us.
Follow James Dunn on Instagram. I love cocks with an X _69_bow.
Seriously doing it already?
Yeah, cunt. What if a fire goes out later? Or you want some little bug? Fuck off. Tastes like poisonous because of that fucking fire starter.
Yeah. You haven't.
Yuck. Is that James's cum?
Not Miranda Dunner, by the way, folks.
This is where me and Liam are asleep.
Dude, they're still good.
We got
Are they?
original, we got chicken, then we got barbecue.
Still crunchy.